Welcome to Pocket Women, Lockpicking and Locksport. Today we're out in the wild. We are at the lovely Port Adelaide Harbour. Check it out. Not the sunniest of days, but a beautiful autumn day. A little bit of breeze, so sorry about the sound. Now they're doing a lot of construction down this way, so you might hear the sound of the builders. But anyway, that's our Birkenhead Bridge, Port River Expressway, and that's the undeveloped side. This is the beautiful, what is it, one and all skiff. You can go for tours on that beastie. A lot of fun. So there's our dock. That's where all the construction's happening down there with townhouses and stuff. That's where we're going for brekkie. Alright, we're down here at the port today because we're going to be doing a bit of a pick. Let's get this sorted. Gonna try for me first ever out of the packet pick of this shark 25mm heavy duty $5 arcade tool, heavy duty 25mm. How can a 25mm padlock be heavy duty? That would be my question. Heavy duty because it's got the name shark. So just crack this packet. Here we go. Okay. Where are we? There's our bidding. There's the pellet. Let's try not to drop this in the drink before I get it picked. There we go. Get that in frames, always good. Shark. Little snap. Beautiful little padlock. Alright, we're going to lock her back up. I'm not too organised here. I'll just grab my picks. And we shall begin. I'll be using my mini pick. Where are we? My mini pick that Chris Capoon made me, and oh no, that's the SF Dev. I might have to change to the mini, and the tension wrench that Chris made me. I'm going to go top of the keyway because that's easiest for me at the moment at this angle. That's one. Oh, tension wrench slipped. Alright, let's try bottom of the keyway. I'm just so scared I'll drop this in the drink. Okay, there we go. Sweet as. Beautiful little padlock. Nice for the collection. And check this out. Wanted to bring you down here on a nice sunny day, but you get that when the weather turns. The beautiful Port Adelaide. It's a lovely place to live. It's just starting to get development happening with it now. I used to live here about 20 years ago and it was dead. You couldn't even get a shop down here, but now it's all picking up. So thanks for joining us. illegal. Temptation is everywhere.